rakhe ya kasngi kha ukpa ka jaj ban reu kari India Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi kabala tip kumga Gandhi Jayanti kabala jurakhe haman laka art regu risau bat kumba ka sarkar India kalabu ye ka thong ban penlong ya kari India ka bakhoj ka basuba lengba ka program swasta hi seva kumta ka shnong Mawtnum ru ha ka ne kasngi kala penlong ya ka jingpynkhuid shnong kabalong kumsi bynta ban rakhe ya ka ne kasngi karpang ha ka ba ki pai ba nong song shnong klaya mi renti ban pynkhhuid ya ka shnong ka thau ha ka ne kasngi laya don rungkat ru u Vivek Kumar ubadei ustad science ha ka jing ya don rungkat urang ba shnong ka shnong Mawtnum uba abad hok nong mali usketri shnong uba bu kamai lang rani lembat ki pai ba nong song shnong jong ka shnong
kumbala betha na ki office jong u video bat ka jingkemen ngia mi baro shishnong kirang ba ki kentei ki khna ban pynkhhuid ya ka shnong ka thau ban lumi kinyut kinyer ban pelong ikhnong jungi ka ba khuid ka ba suba ya khuble ya ki nong shnong baro ki balayami renti ban yatre ban ya pynkhhuid da ka mensim ka ba kemen pada kan ka step ngidon ru ban ngi Dr. Vivek Kumar di scientist ba director jog Saindur Enviro Private Limited kani ka di ka company ka ban sna ya ka biodegradable polythene plastic kaban pun. So we are very happy that you have joined us in this Swachhta Abhiyan, and we're very happy that you have joined hand with us. You are a friend of the environment. You have a project, you have a unit that's going to save environment and preserve the ecology. So we welcome you to this small function, and I would like you to say something on this occasion.
Thank you so much. Very good morning to everyone present here. How are you all doing today?
Fine.
All in high spirit?
Yes.
Great. So as Ba has already mentioned that we have gathered here today for Swachhta Hi Seva Abhiyan, right? And this is where I say that it's not just about cleaning our surrounding. It is much more larger than that. It is our country, it's our environment, so it becomes our responsibility to clean our surrounding, right? We know about the menace, the environmental issues, particularly that single-use plastic is creating around, right? Single-use plastics are choking rivers. Single-use plastics are creating a lot of environmental issues around in our surroundings. And this is where we step in. Just like we take bath on a daily basis, it's also our responsibility to regularly, not just on the occasion of 2nd October that we very much not only remember Mahatma Gandhi, but in his remembrance we are doing this initiative through Government of India Swachhta Hi Seva Abhiyan. It's our initiative to make this 2nd October a daily thing in our lives, day-to-day lives. If every day we keep our environment clean, we keep our surrounding clean, then everything becomes so wonderful, right? The green nature that we have to protect. And I'm very much thankful to our headman and to the secretary and to each and every one of you from the Darbar Shnong Mawtnum for making this event very successful. To our wonderful Kongs here, to all the Ba here who have joined since morning to make this event, this entire initiative, a very successful one. So thank you so much, and this is just the beginning. Let us join hands, let us make sure that on a very daily basis we imbibe the entire spirit of Swachhta Hi Seva Abhiyan started by Government of India, and we make our surroundings and our environment clean. With this, I thank you so much, and I thank for this opportunity, for inviting me here, and thank you for making a part of this wonderful initiative. Thank you.
Thank you.